welcome to my Medical English teaching channel. In today's lesson, we will learn some terminologies about our blood. Blood flows inside the blood vessel and it carries oxygen and nutrients. Our body relies on blood to receive good amount of oxygen and nutrients to be able to survive and maintain the normal body functions. So blood plays important role in maintaining a normal life. Alright, so next, let's have a look at the different components of our blood. Our blood contains the following four parts. The first one, white blood cells or WBC. White blood cells or WBC. This is our immunity cells which helps our body to defend infections and other diseases. We don't easily get sick because we have white blood cells. In the environment, there are a lot of different harmful germs, and these germs could invade your body and make you sick. Now, whenever the germs try to invade your body, our blood will send more white blood cells to fight against those germs so you don't get sick. But if we don't have enough white blood cells, we will have higher risk of getting sick or being infected. Alright, the next part of the blood is called the RBC or red blood cells. Red blood cells mostly contains a special protein called hemoglobin. So hemoglobin is the dominant part of the red blood cells which carries oxygen to every part of the body. So our red blood cells is mostly made up of the hemoglobin which carries oxygen to every part of the body. Now, oxygen is one type of gas inside the normal air. When we breathe in the air, our lung will reserve the oxygen and the oxygen will be further absorbed into the blood and blood will further deliver the oxygen to the rest of the body. So red blood cells is responsible for carrying oxygen. And red blood cells is mainly made of hemoglobin, which helps to bond with oxygen and then further deliver the oxygen to rest of your body. Alright. The next part of the blood is the platelets. Platelets. So platelets is important because it can help us to stop bleeding. Now, if we have a broken skin or if we get injured, we will start to bleed. And at the same time, our blood will send more platelets to this injury site to try to form the blood clots and stop the bleeding, right? So if we have a broken skin, we rely on platelets to stop the bleeding. But if we don't have enough platelets inside the blood, we will bleed continuously and it could be very dangerous. Right, so this is really important. The platelets in the blood helps to form the blood clot to stop the bleeding. The last part of the blood is the plasma. Plasma contains mostly water. So it is a liquid part of the blood that mostly contains water. And a plasma helps to carry different nutrients, hormones, and some proteins inside the blood and carry these nutrients and send the other parts of the blood and send the nutrients to every other part of the body. Yeah. So this is the plasma. So it's very important that we drink enough water to expand the plasma volume. Yeah, so it can properly carry all the important nutrients to every part of the body to maintain a good body function. Right? So that's that are some important terminologies that I want to teach you today. Thank you everyone for listening.